No matter whatever you do, whether you do SEO, ads, social media marketing, there is one thing which is common, and that is you want to tell about your product or service directly or indirectly to everyone. Based on your requirements, you will be doing these things only for two reasons. Number one, for people to know about your product and service. Number two, for people to buy your product or service. But yes, you are going to solve someone's problem, give solution to someone's problem through your service or product. Hello everyone, I am Kashish from KnowHow Academy. This is our digital marketing beginners full course. In the last video, we have understood the basic definition of digital marketing, benefits of digital marketing, and have gone through some of the examples of digital marketing. If you haven't watched it, do check it now. So, in today's video, we will see 6 major types of digital marketing, not just theoretically, but with examples and its pros and cons as well. So, we will see number 1, SEO, number 2, social media marketing, number 3, content marketing, number 4, PPC marketing, number 5, email marketing, and number 6, affiliate marketing. So, let's start with number 1, SEO. Now, what is SEO? Search engine optimization, right? First, what is search engine? You search whatever comes in your mind, any problem or anything, where? On YouTube or Google. So these are the two most used search engines, right? So which means you are optimizing your content for the search engines. Now, what is optimizing? In simple terms, whatever people are searching, you need to give exactly that thing, right? So it's like a demand and supply. But so many people are doing the same way that you are doing. That's where the technical aspects of SEO comes into the picture. Hence, we do these 3 major things in SEO. Number 1, on-page SEO. Number 2, off-page SEO. And number 3, technical SEO. Right? So under all these things, we do activities like keyword research, writing titles, meta description, writing content, internal links, and finding target audience, and a lot more other things we do. Once we do it, practically, you will be able to understand more clearly. But let me tell you that SEO is not a magic. You need to give time to it. You need to experiment in this. Now, talking about the pros and cons of the SEO. So first, let's start with the pros. Number 1, organic traffic. Yes, SEO can drive a significant amount of free and organic traffic to your website. Number 2, long-term results. Yes, of course, SEO is like a long-term investment that you can, invest in. Number 3, it also provides the credibility and authority to you, to your product, to your service, right? You know what? If you rank high in search engine, then definitely whatever people will search, whatever problem they will search on search engines, and your content will pop up on top. So definitely it will provide the credibility and authority. Number 4, cost effective. Yes. If we compare to the paid advertisement, then SEO can be the most cost effective in the long run. Now, talking about the cons, yes. Number 1, time consuming. SEO can be time consuming because it requires an ongoing optimization and maintenance. Number 2, competitive. Yes, it can be challenging to rank high in search engine result, especially for those competitive keywords for which you want to rank. Number 3, unpredictable search engine algorithms. Because you know what? The search engine usually changes its algorithm with the time. So you need to have an eye on that because it can impact your ranking. Number 4, slow result. Yes, if SEO is taking time, then it will take time to show its result, especially if you are willing to rank for high competitive keywords. The next challenge you can face in this, that is technical complexity. Yes, SEO can involve technical aspects, for example, website structure and coding, which may be challenging for some business. Now, let's see an example of SEO. So, I will search on Google best house to buy. Let's see which website is coming on the top. So we have got the Magic Bricks website over here. That means the Magic Brick website has done their SEO, has done their keyword research, has done their content writing so well that it is coming on the top for the keyword that is best house to buy. So which means whatever any keyword or any problem or any query we put on the search engine, whatever comes on top without an ad, that means that website has done their SEO very well. Now coming to the second type of the digital marketing, that is social media marketing. So what is social media marketing? Using social media, you can promote your service and products, whether you want to make content on Instagram as a post, Reels, story, or Facebook video, or YouTube, or any website, maybe on Twitter or LinkedIn, right? But there are so many key elements of the social media marketing. For example, you need to find your target audience, you need to decide your goal, you need to, schedule the content, you need to make the content. So for that, you need to have the content calendar as well, right? It is also having some pros and cons. Talking about the pros, that is increased brand awareness. Yes, social media can help you reach a wider range of audience, which eventually increase the brand recognition. Next, improve customer engagement. Of course, social media platforms provide an opportunity to interact with customer and eventually build relationships with the customer. Next, cost effective. Yes, of course, if compared to the traditional advertising channel, social media marketing can be more cost effective. Next, analytics. Of course, social media platforms provide valuable analytics to track your performance and to measure your return on investment. It is really, really helpful if you are doing social media marketing. Talking about the cons, first, time consuming. Yes, of course. Managing social media accounts can be time consuming, especially if you are on multiple platforms. Next cons can be algorithm change. Social media platforms also update their algorithm, which can impact your reach and engagement as well. Next, negative feedback. You may encounter negative criticism, negative comments on your social media channel, right? But you have to take all those negative comments or criticism as an constructive criticism. You have to learn something, right? Or if something is bothering you, you may absolutely ignore that. Then coming to the next, that is competition. Yes, social media is a competitive landscape, to be honest, and it can be challenging to stand out from the crowd. Now let's move on to the example. Who have used the social media, who have used the social media platform to to increase their brand awareness. Now I'm talking about Zomato. I cannot take another example better than this. So Zomato celebrated its 16th birthday by collaborating with some of the famous stand-up comedian, if you remember. So to promote itself on YouTube as well, they have created the content, on Instagram as well. So, and you know what? Those content has gone crazy as possible. People really loved those content. Coming to the next type of digital marketing, number 3, content marketing. Now, what is content marketing? So basically, if I say in a very typical words, that it is the development of the relevant or useful content, and those content can be in the form of blogs, newsletter, social media posts, emails, video content, and more than that. And these content are usually for your current customer, current audience, and maybe the potential customer or audience. This can help you to get leads, build relationship as well. So there are other forms of content as well. For example, short form video, podcast, infographics, checklists, ebooks, webinars, and video ads, and so many things. Now, if you are launching any product or service, you can create the content around your product demos, maybe case studies. And if you have reached to a level, then you can also create content in the form of personalized email. You can send the email to your customer in a personalized form. Now, how you will do all these things? First, you will be finding your target audience, you will be setting your goals, you will be deciding the type of your content, you will be deciding the content format. Then you will be choosing your content channel, whether you want to promote your content on YouTube, Instagram, or any other platform, right? And then you will be publishing it. After that, you will be also measuring the results. Now, of course, it is also having some pros and cons. Now, talking about the pros, number 1, builds trust and credibility. Yes, of course, if you're providing high quality content, then definitely it can establish your brand as a thought leader in your industry, right? It will definitely build trust with your audience as well. Number 2, generate organic traffic. Now, content marketing is one of the things that can drive or getting traffic to your website, through search engines and other social media. Number 3, improve SEO. Of course, if you are creating a valuable and informative content which will help you to automatically improve and increase the SEO ranking. And the best part of the content marketing is that the results are also measurable. You can track the performance of your content marketing as well using some of the analytics tool. Now, talking about the cons, it is time consuming because creating high quality content can be time taking. Now, second, requires consistency, right? If you're making content, very high quality content, but if you are not putting on your platform consistently, then it is of no use, right? Now talking about the competition, yes, there is a lot of competition for the content marketing space. Next challenge can be the evolving landscape of content marketing. Yes, of course, content marketing best practice and trends are constantly changing. Now, talking about the example of content marketing or content creation, the most famous person that we all know mostly, that is Ranveer Alabadia. He creates the podcast as a content form on YouTube, right? And YouTube videos as well, and Insta content as well, right? Another example could be Ankur Wariko. He creates newsletter, he creates content on Instagram, he creates video on YouTube as well. Now, coming to the next type of digital marketing, number 4, PPC marketing, that is pay per click marketing. Now, what is that? So basically, PPC advertising is an online advertising model where a person pay a fee every time a user clicks on their ad, right? So for that, most of the business uses Google Ads, right? And in these ads, an algorithm prioritize each available ad or each available content that you are putting as an ad based on number of factors, right? So there are a lot of factors which Google Ads take into consideration. For example, ad quality. Yes, of course, your ad quality has to be on top. Keyword relevance, landing page quality, like whenever anyone clicks on your ads, where it is going, what is the quality of that landing page, bid amount. We will talk about bid amount later, but yes, it is the amount that you fix for that particular click, right, or for that particular view. And we can do PPC marketing on various platforms, for example, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, LinkedIn Ads, YouTube Ads, and Amazon Ads, and there are a lot of other platforms as well. Now, talking about its pros and cons, so number 1, targeted reach. Yes, PPC allows you to target your specific audience based on the demographics, interest, behaviors, and a lot more things, right? So that your ad reaches to the right audience. Now, next pros can be the measurable result. Yes, PPC campaigns provide you the detailed analytics which allow you to track the performance of your content, like which ad or which poster or which video is really working for you and your audience as well. Next pros can be the fast result. Yes, in this marketing, it can generate a result very quickly, especially when compared to SEO, right? Next could be the flexibility. Yes, you can adjust your PPC campaigns to meet your goals and budget. Whenever you are feeling like this ad is going very like it's going very good, then you can increase the budget, or maybe if you are thinking that if that particular ad is not going well, then you can change your title, then you can easily adjust your PPC campaign to meet your goal and budget. For example, if you are finding that if any particular ad is not doing well, then you can twist some of the keywords, maybe some of the titles, or some kind of things you can change. For example, maybe the budget, you can increase the budget of that particular ad, right? So it gives you the flexibility to adjust your ads. Next pros can be the brand visibility. Yes, it can help you in increasing your brand's visibility and reach a wider range of audience. Now, talking about the cons of this PPC marketing, then cost. It can be very expensive, yes, especially for higher competitive keywords. If you want to, if you want to run your ads for the keywords which are very high, like in competition, then definitely it can cost you very much. Then coming to the next cons, which is ongoing management. Yes, it requires an ongoing management and optimization as well, so that you can maintain the performance. Next challenge could be click fraud, right? There is a risk of click fraud, which means that maybe people click on your ads without any intention of taking action, right? So that click is waste for us. Then limited organic reach. Yes, if you are completely relying on PPC, then definitely it can limit your organic search visibility. So you should not prefer, yes, for short term, for starting, if you're starting anything, then yes, this is the perfect choice, but with the time you need to focus on SEO part. Then coming to the next challenge is short term result. Yes, so PPC results can decline once you stop your campaign, right? If you are running and then it is showing to the people, if you're not, then it is not, right? That's why you need to work on your SEO part. It is good for the people who are starting out. Now, let's see some of the examples. Okay, so earlier, for the SEO purpose, I have searched best house to buy, right? So now let's see which are the brands who are paying and running ad to, come at the top for the best house to buy keyword, right? So if we scroll down, we can see that this is the brand or, website. They are, paying the ads because it is showing as in sponsored content. Then the housing.com is also, running the ad to come on the, this page for the best house to buy keyword, right? At the same time, if we'll see on YouTube as well, if I'm writing house to buy, so you can see the ads, right? India's most affordable housing heaven. This is the sponsored content. If we'll scroll down, then you can see here as well 3 BHK in this a particular area. Then if we'll scroll down more, then you will be able to see more ads over here. In the same way, you will see ads on Instagram as well. So all these are the examples of PPC marketing. They want to show their brand or service to you by paying some amount. Coming to the next type of digital marketing, number 5, email marketing. Now, it is a form of marketing that can make your customer on your email list, right? And then you will be able to aware them, maybe when your new product comes, maybe if you are giving any discount to your product or any other service, if you are launching any other new product or service, right? So it will be providing the information to your customer, right? And this email marketing plays really important role in lead generation, brand awareness, maybe building relationships with with the customer. And again, this marketing also is having pros and cons. So now let's move to that. Talking about the pros, number 1, direct reach. Yes, email marketing allows you to directly reach to your audience, to your customer. Number 2, measurable results. Yes, you can track the key matrices like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion, right? How many people have clicked on your mail or whatever call to action you have given in that particular mail, right? Number 3, personalization. You can personalize your mail based on your customer data, right? Maybe you can use their name or anything related to their data. So that everything will improve your engagement with your customer. Next pros can be the automation. Yes, this field is is very time saving because email marketing automation tools are available. They can save your time and efforts as well. Now talking about the cons, number 1, inbox clutter. Yes, your email can easily get lost in the crowded inbox because people are getting mails from so many brands, so many companies and organizations. So maybe your email can be lost. Number 2, spam filter. If you're not following the best practices to to send that email, then might be possible your email may be flagged as a spam, right? Next challenge can be the limited reach. Because in today's time also, not everyone checks their mail regularly. Might be possible your target audience is not checking the mail regularly. So you need to figure that as well. Now coming to the example, let's see some of the examples. Okay, if I'll see here that Udemy has, announced his new course on his platform, that is machine learning course, So this is one of the example. If I'll see another example, yeah, you can see this one. So they have used my name, they have used my name at first, and then they have used their whatever the intention, whatever the motive of their mail, and they have asked me to enroll in their campus and everything. Then talking about the other examples. Okay, now this some app Sumo is just informing me about their that offer is ending marketing soon. So it is one of the kind of email marketing that they are doing. So there are many examples of that. You can also check your mail to see some of the similar examples. Now, coming to the last type of digital marketing, and that is affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? So basically, in simple words, if I have to explain you, that it is the process by which an affiliate, any person or anyone, earns a commission, for marketing. Now, why he is getting a commission? Because he is marketing another person's or company's product, right? So if you are someone who wants to make money online, you don't have to create your own product or service, right? Or you don't have to offer a service. You just need to do this. You can enter in this field where you will be earning money in a form of commission, right? And when you will be earning commission, when someone purchases through your affiliate link, and that affiliate link will be provided by that particular company or that particular product's company. Now, talking about the pros and cons of the affiliate marketing, again, it is also having some pros. For example, low investment. Yes, affiliate marketing typically requires a minimal investment, right? You don't have to spend a lot to start this type of marketing. Second, passive income potential. Yes, you can have this field as a passive income, right? Then coming to the next benefit, that is flexibility. Yes, of course, you can work from anywhere and at any time, right? It is up to you. Now, another best, thing about affiliate marketing is it covers a wide range of product and service, right? In other marketing field, in other digital marketing types, which I have talked today, in that we have to choose our one niche, right? We have to be very specific about our niche. But this covers a variety of niches and industry. Now, talking about the cons, number one, competition. Yes, affiliate marketing space can be competitive, right? Number two, low conversion rate. Yes, this could be a challenge for you because there are many visitors to your website or social media channel may not convert into your customer, right? There are chances. So it is having a kind of comparatively low conversion rates. Now, product quality and reputation. Yes, the quality and the reputation of products or service that you promote can impact your success, right? Now, from where you can start. So there are examples, there are multiple platforms which is providing this kind of opportunity. So number one is the very famous example, that is Amazon Associates. You can start from there. Number two, Flipkart affiliate, and there are a lot of things. And you have also heard from most of the YouTubers, whenever you see any YouTube, so whatever the product they are using, like today I'm shooting this video, so whatever the the camera which I'm using, the mic which I'm using, I can link, I can have my affiliate link in the description so that you can buy from there. So from that link I'll be getting the commission, right? So this way many YouTubers also do these things. Okay, so these were the 6 types of digital marketing that we discussed. I hope after watching this video, if you want to start a career, you have understood in which field you are interested, right? And if you have a business, you must have understood which marketing style to choose to grow your business. Now, my question to you is, are all the types I mentioned necessary for a business? Because technically, everything is important for the customer, right? Whether it's SEO, email, or social media. Please comment in the comment section before the next video. So, thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and stay curious.